Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 photo album guide, and here I will just walk you through the iOS 18 photos album and how you can use it. So if you're new to the iOS 18 photos album or how the iOS 18 photos album looks, is kind of confusing and you cannot find your way around it, understanding the basic pattern of the iOS 18 photos album, then I'm going to show you how to reduce the unnecessary part of this photos album, how to find deleted folder, find your screenshot, and then make this photo album look as clean as this. You see, this is my photos album. So I have taken down unnecessary or unwanted parts on the photos album on my iPhone iOS 18. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, literally, on the iOS 18 photo album, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the library. Then after library, you have access to categories. So these are the photos category, which makes the photos album a kind of complicated for users to use. So here the first thing you want to do is to customize the photos album on your iPhone iOS 18. So you can just go ahead, remove unwanted part or unnecessary part like the people, recent day, pin collections, trips. So if you don't want all of these to feature in the iOS 18 photo album, the first one to do is just scroll down to the bottom of the page. While at the bottom of the page, just come here and click on customize and reorder. Then here you have access to all the categories you have on the photos album. So just go ahead, remove the unwanted one on the photos album page. So just keep removing them. So here I'm just going to remove all and then let utilities, media types, and then recent day remain active. Then once you remove them, just close this. Then if you come back to your iOS 18 photos album, then you should see media type, utilities, and recent days. Now that's one of the ways you can use to use the photos album on your iPhone. Another thing you want to do here is this. If you come to utilities, you see hidden album. So if you have any photo added to your hidden album, then you have access to all these photos here. So this photo will be taken away from the main photos on your iPhone library. However, if you want to hide the hidden album on your iPhone, all you just need to do is this. Click on the profile icon at the top right. Then make sure you disable hidden album. So once you disable hidden album, if you come back to the utilities page, then you see that hidden album is no longer available. Here you can also find duplicate content on your iPhone under utilities on the iOS 18 photo album. So if you come to utilities, then you should see duplicate photos. Here you can see I have a few duplicated photos here. Now you may choose to delete these photos or merge. So if you choose to merge this photo, these duplicated photos will be merged to a single photo, provided they have the same image and the resolution might be different. So that's one of the things you need to know about the iOS 18 photo album. Also, if you want to check screenshot on your iPhone 18 on your iOS 18 photo album and you couldn't find it, this is what you just need to do. Just come to the photo library, click on this up and down arrow, and then click on filter. Here you can filter the photos you have on your iOS 18 photo album library by selecting screenshots. So if you have any screenshot available, then you should see them here. And if the screenshot is not coming up here, all you just need to do is just scroll down as well, click on media types, and here you should see screenshot. Go ahead and click on screenshot, and here you have access to all your screenshots on your iPhone iOS 18 photo app. And you can also access screen recorded videos here. At the same time, you have access to all your live photos, selfie videos, and raw images. So also, if you want to reset the iOS 18 photo album back to default, you want to bring back all the categories here, then you just need to scroll down and click on customize and reorder. Once you hit that, tap reset at the top left. Then once you hit the reset button, just close this page and all the photos album category will be restored, and then the iOS 18 photo album will come back to its default. So that is basically all you need to know about the iOS 18 photo album, except some other features like find recently deleted photos. So you can find this under utilities, then view recently deleted photos by clicking on view album, and then that is it. So to delete them, just select all of them like this, hit the three dots at the bottom right, and then tap delete or recover. Recover will recover these photos back to the library or photos app, but delete will take down the photo completely from your iPhone. So you see that? So that is all you need to know about the iOS 18 photos album. Get to know most of the features of this photo album on your iPhone when you start using it consistently. So there are a lot of things you need to know about this, but basically those are the basic things that got changes on the iOS 18 photos album. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.